Nirmita wants to write an algorithm and draw a flowchart to find the smaller of the two numbers entered by the user. How should she proceed? To develop an algorithm for this problem, let us write what steps should be taken. The first step in any algorithm is start. Next, since in this case the user will be entering two numbers, so we need two variables to store these two numbers. Let us call these variables A and B. The step can be written as read A, B. In the next step, we need to compare the two entered numbers. The condition A is greater than B will result into true if the value stored in variable A is greater than the value stored in variable B. In this case, we will print the message the value stored in variable A is greater than the value stored in variable B. However, in case the condition is false, we will print the message the value stored in variable B is greater than the value stored in variable A. The task is complete, so we close the algorithm in the next step. Please note that this is not the only way of writing an algorithm. You may write it differently. It will be correct as long as it produces the correct result in finite number of steps. Here are two more versions. Well, that's the algorithm. Now let us convert this algorithm into a flowchart. We can draw it by hand or use Microsoft Word. Here I will show how to draw it using MS Word. Open a blank document in MS Word. Let us draw the Start step. Click on Insert tab and then click Shapes in the Illustrations group. Select the Terminator shape and drag on the document to draw the shape. To add text, right-click on the shape and choose Add Text. Type Start. Next, for reading the input values for two numbers and store them in variables A and B, use the parallelogram input-output box. Again, to add text, right-click on the shape and select Add Text. Type Read A, B. Now, join the Start box with the Input-Output box using an arrow available in the Shapes drop-down box. In a similar manner, add an arrow a decision box and add the text as shown here. Add two flow arrows, one labeled Yes and the other No. Next, we will insert two input-output shapes and type the print actions appropriately. Finally, draw the stop terminator and join it with arrows to the two input-output boxes. Your algorithm and corresponding flowchart are ready. Read the question and then click the correct option. Which of the following statement is not correct about algorithm? Brilliant! This is the correct answer.